Hello and welcome to Soul for today's video. In today's video we will work on this burr puzzle, and this is a request by user burrfanfull, and let's see what this thing has in it. So first a little review. This is made out of bamboo. It say that it's good for the environment. Well, I don't know exactly why, but I'm not a specialist of those questions. It's called Teuflischer Knoten in German, Devil Node in English, and Le Nœud Diabolique in French, and it's from a German company. I'll give you the link in the description. So it looks like a burr puzzle. It's given with a solution, but I didn't use the solution. Sometimes I use solutions when really, well, rarely I use the solutions actually. So it's not, to my view, it's not a very difficult one if you have this first in this state, because it's easy to undo, and if you're careful enough to look what you're doing after, it's easy to put back. And it's not one of those where you start to remove a piece and everything falls apart. It is actually easy to remove everything one by one, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. So the first step is to find out the key. The key is the piece that will move and will free all the other pieces, at least one. And the key here is not difficult to find. It's this one that goes downward right here. So once you have the key, you have this one that slides out, and you can notice, of course, the little notch here that hooks to the key when the key is up. Then you have those two that you can slide out like this, and of course like that. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult. Okay, that's it. Well, supposed to be it. They will slide. Oh, the key's up again. That's why. Okay, and they are not exactly the same. There's one that has a little more wood here, because if you check here, you have also a little notch right here. Then we have this one that goes away, and that one, of course, which is the key. You can see why now the key can go down. And this one, and if you compare to the key, you see that the whole notch is of course bigger, because you need to make this little indent for that one. Then you have one like this and one like that, those two that are exactly the same. And then you have those this and that. They look like the same, but actually they are not the same. They are mirror images to each other. And interestingly enough, there are several of them, two pairs, two full pairs, one like this and one like that. And finally, everything's falling apart, but I'm going to show you how to put it back. Finally, you have those two that are also a pair, and two more of those, but this time they are exactly like that. So you have they're not working as a pair because there are two more of those. And finally, three of these that are actually the same as this one, so there are four of these. And that's it. So it's not difficult to put apart. Let's put it back together. So we take three of those, trying to make a nice color, for instance. Then we take those two that are too many, and notice if you put them face to face that you have a T shape. So we're going to hook them on those three, not with a T shape but with only the normal shape. And since they are not mirror images, you have a little step here, right here, and this is why you have those two with also on the side a step, and those two will go like this to mimic the step. So we put them together. It's not difficult to put together, and it's not even difficult to hold the whole puzzle even when it's not finished. Then we put those like this. You see how it matches perfectly. And we put this one, of course, the other side, with of course the notch up so as to keep the little T-shaped hole. Then we continue with those, putting them mirror, and they will work perfectly. One side. Oh, sorry, it's the other way. I told you the T shape has to be at the top, so it's not like this, it's like that. Oops, that's it. To keep always the T-shaped hole, of course the other way, the other side you do the same, right here. And right there. Whoa. It's funny. It's always when you record a video, everything goes wrong. I've never had problems putting it into part and everything. Okay, that's it. And you can hold the whole puzzle with those like this. Works fine. Now what do we do? Well, if you remember, we have to put those two to hold actually those T-shaped ones like this. And we're almost there. And you can hold the whole puzzle with those two pieces. Now we're going to put like the key. You can put it there or there, doesn't matter. I'll put it maybe this way, right here. Of course it goes down, you can see a little difference. Then you will put this one with a big opening at the back or at the front, totally doesn't matter, and it's right here and makes the little hole right here. Then you're going to use this one, which is designed, and I'll show you, go through, and then on the side with the notch right here, because this one is of course designed to go on this. Then this one, the other side, on the other side like this, and you let in the middle a little corridor to put this one, which will the little notch towards the key, and then you put the key up. That's it. I like this puzzle, but I didn't find it very difficult. Of course, if you have all the pieces together, all the pieces apart, then it gets really tricky if you've never seen it together. But if you have the pieces together and you open it and remove the pieces one by one very slowly, it's easy to remember, and you will not need the solution that is given with the puzzle. Overall, it's a very nice puzzle. I like the look of it, the design, and well, if it's environmentally friendly, why not? So that's it for this puzzle. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I think I might buy one day or another some more of this company, because I told you it's a nice puzzle and I like it. Bye bye, see you next time.